On this episode of GrassRoots Garage, Adam Clark's 240 is back after an engine rebuild and sporting 2 fresh turbos. Sick 240, bro.
Welcome to the party. We're in the Datsonville 240. So
sure are, mate.
She's back. She's alive. Tell us, since we last saw it, tell us what's happened.
Oh, just new engine, new block, new pistons, bigger turbos, bigger injectors, better fuel pumps, 570 horsepower at the wheels.
In 1,200 kilos, which is that's a good power to weight.
Yeah, it's about 1,250, I think. Yeah.
Beautiful.
First time we've out the trumpet. So Crispy's first time racing the Datsonville car over there.
There he is.
He's racing Norby too.
That'll be a good little race for him.
What a lineup of Datsuns. That's
Oh yeah, man. What a lineup.
Oh, Hillbilly's gonna line me up first front, mate. Hey?
Long Wizard looking angry tonight. Look at that. Looking very angry. They're both. Look at this. They've both got the street slicks on the back. Go. You excited? You gotta be pumped.
Fucking am.
Talk me through it, how do you feel? Mate.
Feel alright?
That is sick.
Don't know how much grip we had. Hey?
Might be time for a little tub.
I don't know how much grip we had, but it felt good.
Oh, it felt epic, man.
Hey?
The little twin turbos, I like that more, hey, of these motors. That just is just on.
Well, they're upgraded turbos now, 2871s, and the technology these days are getting better.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And before they only had 320 horsepower turbos. Now it's got 480, twin 480. So before I couldn't get a pound over 20 pound. Now I quite easily got 26 pounds, and we stopped there because with the tyres I had on the dyno, it's just frying them. So I just want to get used to it first before I go and turn it right up, you know?
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean? So that seemed to fry the tyres the whole track.
Yeah. She's getting hot. Something's happening there. So a little bit of smoke.
That's just a breather. That's where the breather is.
Easy.
Oh, I bought this back in 1997. 1997, yeah. I think I had it for about 4 weeks, and I painted the black. Painted the black. Then we fitted the engine. You know, I had a 25 engine first and put twin turbos in it, but I think the 25 engine lasted about 6 weeks before I cracked the piston.
Okay.
I was just, first big run, I was just making sure, just having a quick look. I didn't want to go and thrash everything and not have a quick look, so I just wanted to be sure it was all good.
Yeah.